find many amazing and beautiful things here in the Philippines. One of those are flowers. In this video, we're going to take a look at 10 amazing and very unique flowers in this video compilation. Let's take a look.
The Jasminium sambac, commonly known as sampaquita, is the Philippine national flower. It gets its name for the Filipino words sumpa and kita, which means I promise you. The plant is known for its beautiful white blooms that grow together in clusters, which have a very strong fragrance and holds important meaning to the Filipinos because they thread it together to form a garland and offer it to religious statues as a form of veneration and respect. The endangered jade vine, locally known as tayabac, is commonly found in damp tropical forests, ravines, or streams in the Philippines. It is one of the rarest vines in the world. One look at the flowers of the jade vine, and you'll have an idea of how rare this plant is. The vine's claw-shaped flowers are a vibrant aquamarine color, unique even among exotic plants. The jade vine is endemic to the Philippines in particular. The plant is also considered endangered as the birds and bats that pollinate it have decreased in number. The rose grape is also called the chandelier plant because of how its countless small pink flowers grow in a branching arrangement that can reach up to 30 centimeters in length. The top of this eye-catching chandelier is shielded by large matching bracts. An interesting feature of this shrub is that it grows on other trees but does not feed off of them. Green hood orchids have dull-colored hooded flowers that trap insects for pollination. The lip of the flower is hinged and seals the entrance route of an insect that enters the flower to obtain its sweet nectar. The insect must leave by means of a special tunnel through the column that is lined with hairs. Packets of pollen grains, known as pollinia, become attached to the insect as it escapes, and the pollen is thus carried to other flowers. The foxtail orchid consists of more than 100 pink spotted white flowers. The plant has a short, stout, creeping stem carrying up to 12 curved, fleshy, and deeply channeled leaves and blooms. It is famous for its use as a hair ornament worn during folk dance on the onset of spring. The Palawan cherry blossom, locally known as balayong, is the Philippines' very own cherry blossom tree that also produces light pink flowers similar to the ones in Japan. The timber of the Palawan cherry was widely used in the Spanish colonial period as a material for building furniture because it's easy to work with. Nowadays, the Palawan cherry blossom is being grown as an ornamental plant. Balayong is widely distributed in the province of Palawan, where the locals hold a Balayong festival to celebrate its bloom between March and April. The Queen of Philippines flower measures up to 15 centimeters across, and most of its blooms can be found in a light rosy pink color with dark maroon speckles. However, you might come across a bluish purple variant. The Queen of Philippines flower is fond of heights, growing on trees that hang 12 meters above the forest floor. Fittingly, this rare beauty is native to Davao, the orchid capital of the Philippines. Because the aster flower is love, or has a symbol of love, and is also divided into many bouquets made, it is a good flower to put on a bouquet as it is easy to grow and looks great. If you're looking for beautiful, diverse flowers, you don't need to look much further than asters. Asters come in all colors and sizes, which means there's an aster for pretty much every occasion. The aster gets its name from the Greek word aster, which means star. The Easter lily's trumpet-shaped flowers symbolize spring and are best known as a traditional Easter decoration. This perennial bears large, fragrant white or pink flowers. The plant's thick, rigid stem grows upright and is covered in long, thin, dark green leaves. Easter lilies are around 24 to 36 inches tall and approximately 12 inches spread. Rafflesia is one of the strangest and largest plant you can ever find in the botanical world. Without any leaves, roots, or even stem, Rafflesia relies on another plant in order to survive. It has a parasitic relationship with tetrastigma, a grape-like vine which enables Rafflesia to propagate even without photosynthesis. It is the rarest flower in the Philippines and only blooms once a year and has a foul odor described as more repulsive than any buffalo carcass. This is exactly the same reason why Rafflesia is often referred to as the corpse flower.
If you like this video, click the like icon and also subscribe to ATP to receive future videos and information on all things Philippines. Have a great day.